Well, good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. Whatever time it is in your area. Um, it's morning over here, so that means it's coffee time. I was recently asked to make a video on how I made coffee. Okay, never thought about that. I mean, I think what he was asking how I make my coffee. And so let's go ahead and cue the intro and we'll get into it. Okay, so we have our coffee pot, which it has a dual purpose. It's a Ninja. It can make coffee from a strap, or it can make coffee from single cups. Alright, that's what it looks like right there. So everyone in the house has different tastes in coffee. I like the 100% Colombian. My wife likes the French vanilla or the dark midnight blend. And my mother-in-law likes the midnight blend. She also likes this one right here. But we're going to go ahead with the excuse me right for a second here. So we're going to go ahead. Normally I have this big old box, big old tub, but to make life simple, we keep them in little jars so we don't use as much more than what we need. So without further ado, I'm going to put 2 cups. We have this reusable single cup, K-cup thing that we use, pods. We have a bunch of them. I'm going to put 2 scoops of the of the 100% Colombian in my pod here, and place it in the cup holder there, or the pod holder. Let me go ahead and here's the pod holder. Just seal it off. It even comes with a nice reservoir. And so what I like to do for prep, go ahead. What I like to do for prep is I take my mug, three packets of sweetening low. You can use whatever type of sweetener you want. We also have different types of creamers in this house. regular milk. We have the Mounds. I like to use the sweet and creamy. So I'll go ahead and prep that. And now the fun part. First I'm going to open up the liquid grainer. Pour my cup in there. Turn the power on. Right now it's set at 12 ounces. All I gotta do is press this button here. I do it for 10 ounces. Works perfect in mine. You got three different styles. Rich, classic, and over ice. I like to use the rich. And within a few seconds, it's gonna be made. About a minute maybe. It makes it really quick. This Ninja is well worth the price we paid for it. And there's this craft, whatever you want to call it. It has a separate piece for that. And we rarely use that at all. Just like, because each one of us has our own different tastes in coffee. You see it's about halfway finished already. And while we're waiting, be sure and like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this content, or food reviews, I have music as well. Click that button and click the notification button to be notified when I have new videos up. Okay, and these 10 ounces fills my cup up perfectly. Okay. Makes a nice little sound when it's done. Right. All I have left to do is stir. Turn it off and put my cap back on and drink up. Okay, so that's how I make coffee in the morning. Got my nice little LSU mug, since I am from Louisiana originally. And I just won't stop rooting for my home team. Good every time. With the rich, just makes it a little more, it gives it a little more of the coffee, darker flavor. The classic is just, just a regular blend. So there you have it. That's how I make my coffee in the morning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to be sure and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. And if you like my food reviews, click that bell button and you'll be notified whenever new content is arriving or has arrived. And by the way, I do have a new album coming up April the 1st, excuse me. It's not an April Fool's joke. But April the 1st, it's got 5 songs as an EP. The original content that is on there was inspired when I was in the hospital this last time, when I had that retroperitoneal hematoma, and my cardiologist asked me what I like to do with my computer and all that kind of stuff. Well, I make music. And so I showed him how I did it. He liked it. And he helped me come up with the idea for the title track of the song. It's called Murmurs of the Heart. It's going to be a good album. I'm going to have a little commercial coming out soon. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.